So someone encounters problem of a real sound from a cube. It sounds like this. It's actually the problem of the spring. So the way to fix this is rather simple. So just try to find which side have the problem. If, for instance, my cube is the orange side, so I take the center piece off and then I unscrew it. And actually the sound is caused by the spring, so you just unscrew it, find the spring, and then add a little bit of lubricant on it, and then the problem will be fixed. So now you see that I pick up the spring and also the screw. So first you want to clean the screw of the excess lubricate or the lubricate before, and then you have a spring here, and then you will want to put it back in there and drop a drop of lubricate in. So for this one, you'll want to use the silicone lubricant instead of watery lubricant, because the spring is made of metal and using silicone oil can prevent it from being rusty.
Should I put on some Swedish hip hop?
Yeah, sure. You can just connect to the Wi-Fi
Does it
speaker.
have the plug? Oh, yes, Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi speaker. You just find it right away.
Which one? Match point?
Yes.
Password?
Todd Alfredo.
Yeah, you can spell it.
I don't think I can.
It's like
perfect.
Alfredo.
And another problem of the rear sound is fixed.